In 2026, character-themed baby showers are becoming more playful and family-friendly, and Bluey baby showers are leading the trend. Inspired by the beloved animated show, this theme blends bright colors, fun activities, and joyful family vibes for a celebration everyone can enjoy.
Before we dive into today's video, I'd like to welcome you to Decorpediya, your go-to source for home decor inspiration. We bring you creative ideas to transform your space with style and ease, helping you elevate every corner of your home effortlessly. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest decor inspirations. Now, let's get started.
Why is the Bluey theme trending for baby showers in 2026? Bluey is loved by kids and parents alike, making it a perfect family-friendly celebration. Theme. In 2026, hosts are embracing playful character themes that feel fun, colorful, and interactive for guests of all ages. Love playful character themes? Like this if Bluey wins. What table decor fits a Bluey baby shower? Use blue table runners, character centerpieces, and themed napkins. Keeping decorations bright yet simple keeps the focus on the playful theme. Table ready? Like this if fun decor excites you. What party favors match a Bluey theme? Mini toys, snack packs, or themed stickers make playful keepsakes. Fun favors reflect the joyful energy of the celebration. Favors chosen? Like this if guests will love them. What makes a Bluey baby shower truly memorable? The combination of colorful decor, playful activities, and family-friendly fun creates a joyful celebration guests will remember long after the event. Feeling the fun? Like this if it feels unforgettable. What dessert table ideas fit a Bluey party? Serve cupcakes with Bluey toppers, themed cookies, and colorful cake pops. Bright dessert displays add excitement to the celebration. Dessert table ready? Like this if sweet details matter. What colors work best for a Bluey baby shower theme? Bright blue, sky blue, soft orange, cream, and light yellow reflect the cheerful colors from the show. These tones create a joyful and energetic party atmosphere. Palette chosen? Like this if bright colors shine. Can this theme work for a co-ed baby shower? Yes, Bluey focuses on family and fun, making it perfect for gatherings with parents, friends, and kids together. Co-ed ready? Like this if everyone's included. What activities work for a Bluey baby shower? Guests can play simple games inspired by the show or write wishes for the baby. Interactive activities keep the party lively and engaging. Activities planned? Like this if fun games excite you. What balloon decorations match the Bluey theme? Balloon garlands in blue, light blue, orange, and white recreate the cheerful show colors. Organic balloon designs keep the display modern. Balloon setup planned? Like this if colorful clusters win. How can I make this theme feel modern in 2026? Use organic balloon shapes, minimal table styling, and soft pastel variations of Bluey colors. Modern styling updates the playful theme beautifully. Modern party style? Like this if fresh trends win. How can I create a Bluey-themed welcome area? Use a welcome little mate sign with Bluey characters and balloon clusters in blue. Tones. Adding cartoon cutouts introduces the theme instantly. Entrance styled? Like this if first impressions matter. A Bluey baby shower in 2026 brings together bright colors, playful characters, and joyful celebration. With fun decor, interactive activities, and cheerful details, it creates a party full of smiles and happy memories. Loved these Bluey baby shower ideas? Like and come back for more 2026 celebration inspiration.